Module 5, Network Security. Overview of network security. Network security refers to the practice of protecting computer networks and the information transmitted over them from unauthorized access, modification, theft, or damage. It involves a set of policies, procedures, and technologies designed to secure data and prevent security threats, such as viruses, malware, hackers, and other cyber threats. Network security includes several layers of protection, including 1. Physical security. This involves securing the physical components of the network, such as servers, routers, switches, and other network devices, from theft, tampering, or damage. 2. Network access control. This involves controlling access to the network by verifying the identity of users or devices, ensuring that only authorized users and devices can access the network. 3. Network segmentation. This involves dividing the network into smaller subnetworks, or segments, to isolate critical systems and prevent unauthorized access. 4. Firewalls. Firewalls are security devices that filter traffic between different network segments and block unauthorized access to the network. 5. Intrusion detection and prevention. This involves monitoring the network for suspicious activity and blocking or alerting administrators about potential security threats. Network security is essential for protecting the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data and systems, and it is a critical component of any organization's cybersecurity strategy. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems, IDS. Firewalls and intrusion detection systems, IDS, are two critical components of network security that work together to protect computer networks and the information transmitted over them from cyber threats. Firewalls are security devices that filter traffic between different network segments and block unauthorized access to the network. Firewalls can be hardware or software-based and are typically configured to allow or block traffic based on predefined rules. Firewalls can also be configured to perform other security functions, such as virtual private network, VPN, termination, network address translation, NAT, and content filtering. Overall, firewalls and IDS are important tools in protecting computer networks and the information transmitted over them from cyber threats. Implementing these security technologies can help organizations mitigate the risk of network attacks and protect critical business assets. Virtual private networks, VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, is a technology that enables secure and private communication between remote users or networks over a public network, such as the Internet. VPNs create a secure and encrypted tunnel between the user's device and the VPN server, protecting the communication from eavesdropping, interception, and tampering. VPNs are commonly used by organizations to provide secure remote access to their internal networks for employees, contractors, and partners. VPNs can also be used by individual users to protect their privacy and secure their internet connection when using public Wi-Fi networks or accessing geographically restricted content. In addition to providing secure remote access, VPNs can also be used to bypass internet censorship and access content that is blocked or restricted in certain regions. However, the use of VPNs can also be restricted or monitored by governments or network administrators, so it is important to use them responsibly and in compliance with local laws and policies. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.